What's up, guys? KG, Rough TV, Buff TV. We're talking about pull-ups today. Now, a lot of us, we have these big aspirations, these hopes, these dreams. A lot of us come to the gym, and one of those measurements of strength, just like a deadlift, a squat, is the pull-up. Now, a lot of us are afraid to do pull-ups because we might not have the upper body strength or the back strength to do pull-ups. So I'm gonna show you a really simple, applicable way to get into your pull-up game. Now, this is with using elastic bands or super bands or performance bands. Now, I'm gonna go over the different sizes that are gonna be fit for every single level of fitness. Now, this is if you're small, if you're big, if you're medium size, so there's all different types of bands that you guys can use, okay? Now, obviously, if you're a bigger athlete, you're gonna need a thicker band, okay? Now, this is 1 3/4. This is by Perform Better. Now, if you're a bigger athlete, I would suggest starting with a thicker band. This is 1 3/4. These go all the way up to 3 inches to 5 inches. And they go as little as 1/2 inch. So this is a 1/2 inch band. Now you can see, these are super elastic. They stretch, just as the same thing with this super band. Now I'm gonna show you how to set this up, okay? So come on over. Now, usually what we're gonna need is a box, obviously a pull-up bar and a rig. I already have a band set up, but how the band is set up, watch, we'll just film this red pole here. What you're gonna do, obviously not on the part of the rig, but on the pull-up bar, is you're gonna loop the band through itself. So you put the band through itself, and then you're gonna pull tight. And then the band's gonna end up looking like this, okay? So you're gonna go to the top of the box. The fastest, easiest way to get into this is you're gonna take the arch of your dominant foot. You're gonna put it inside of the band. Now, I would recommend going chin-up style first, because you're gonna be able to use your biceps, involve your biceps into the movement before you go into overgrip. But just for the sake of starting, foot goes in the middle of the band. You're gonna press down, you're gonna cross over. Now from there, all you're gonna do, now a good pull-up constitutes you getting your chin over the bar, ideally your chest to the bar, so you're driving all the way up in a nice, good, slow negative. Now, we're not kipping, we're just using our back, our arms, and our lats. Now this is overgrip. Now I would recommend starting chin-up style. Now when you're lining your hands up, your hands are gonna be right in front of your shoulders. You don't wanna go super wide like this. So right in front of the shoulders, you can see I'm gonna I'm gonna go off the box, I'm gonna cross my other foot over to secure the band, and then I'm gonna pull, drive those elbows down, chips to the bar. Nice and steady on the way down. Now remember, you're gonna be a little fatigued, so don't panic. Find the box behind you, and then nice and slow, you're gonna bring this knee up. Now, that's it, guys. Super band pull-ups, go on Amazon, look up super bands, or you guys can even go to performbetter.com. These bands are gonna cost anywhere from $15 to $45, and they last forever. So if you guys are struggling to get into your pull-up game, I hope this video helps. If you found this video useful, don't forget, give it a thumbs up. I'm KG, thanks for tuning in. This is Rough TV Buff TV, peace. Okay, something I forgot to mention in the last video is what a crappy rep looks like, okay? Because a lot of people will use these bands and will use them wrong. So I'm gonna give you a quick 1 and 2 on what a bad rep looks like. So a bad rep will be, probably we're already pre-fatigued, we don't have very much upper body strength left. So we get up on top of the box, we say, okay, I got like 10 more reps to go, or whatever the program says you gotta do. And then you come on down like this, you set yourself up for a pull-up, and then you pull like this. Now these aren't good pull-ups, because we want full range of motion, chin over the bar, chest to the bar. So if that's not happening, if this is your rep, or you got a kip, or you have to flail, it doesn't count. So the best thing to do is digress, is use a thicker band. Leave your ego at the door and use a thicker band. That way you're gonna get more range of motion, more muscle activation, more gains. Your back's gonna be sexier. You're gonna say, KG, thank you so much for leaving my ego at the door and digressing that exercise. I forgot to add that in, guys. Thanks for tuning in.